This is the streets. This is
Road Warriors. Custom Diecast Racing.
Welcome back to Road Warriors. We're at Battle 20. This is a very interesting round. We have a few right on top, all vying for that position of Road Warrior for 2021. Let's get into this first race. Crazy Canuck versus Pain MD. A DNF, as I said before, we don't see this often on Mount Western Raceway. Crazy Canuck had this one and done out of turn one, unable to keep it going, and Pain MD just pulls up stumps himself. Cars swap and Crazy Canuck is on the inside. Pain MD crossing in a 9.680. That's another point to the board, and both cars have made it down successfully. Looking here, you can see Crazy Canuck just backing into the end of Pain MD. Both these cars struggling in Road Warriors Season 3. Still intact though. We've got Mapelli on 9 points and Crazy Jordan on 11 points. Crazy Jordan's driving for Hot Wheel Boys out of Kiwiland, New Zealand. A good looking run there by Crazy Jordan in that Jaguar. Let's go back and have a look and see what happened to Mapelli. He always seems to struggle. Oh look, he's caught the lip. No wonder he didn't make it down the bottom. He's always been struggling right up the top there going into turn one. Mapelli is on the inside. Crazy Jordan bringing home a doubler there for Hot Wheel Boys out of New Zealand. Nice little manoeuvre out of turn one. A little bit of a low swing and hits the side there. Here's your leader. This is Variant Skunkworks on 27 points, going up against Chuck's Garage on 16. The Naked Evo unstoppable on Mount Western Raceway, as the Evos are. Chuck's Garage stealing the limelight away from the leader. Oh, this is going to put pressure going into Battle 21. Let's have a look at this. Oh, perfect lines, both of them out of turn one. But it's Chuck's Garage who just steals the limelight and takes the win away from the Naked Evo, Variant Skunkworks. And Skunkworks coming in with a very fast time, an 8.720 this late in the season. No problems with this Naked Evo at all. You see Skunkworks gets a very quick start out of the gate, heading into turn one, and that is the race done. This should be a great battle. Both of these cars and teams are on 22 points. Lily the Dog and 2D driving for 100 Proof Racing. .2D kicking across the line in a 9.440. Well done. What happened to Lily the Dog? She had a rollover in turn one. Picked a nice line. Oh, just unable to come out of that turn. Lily's had a lot of rollovers in this tournament and she's in fine form. .2D bringing home 2 points for Team 100 Proof Racing. Nice little slap there on the back wall. Lily putting the pressure on 2D in turn one. You see up the top left there, the leader on 27 points. Jack Sparrow's on 17. DJ Triple J is on 23. Don't forget that Holden has the black fire tyres on it. Jack Sparrow driving in backwards across the line. It doesn't matter how you win, so long as you get across the line first and get a point for your team. Let's have a look at the replay. DJ Triple J just hugging the rail there. I think those black fire tyres have hung him up and slowed him down. How good do these cars look? A nice win there by DJ Triple J and squaring up this race out of Battle 20. Look at the replay. He got off to a nice start. Jack Sparrow unable to take turn one. Mad Mike, the Kiwi, driving Max on 12 points, and TJ Gonzo driving Galactica on 20 points. 80 grams versus 48. Let's rock and roll. Oh, what a fantastic run there by that Falcon, driven by Mad Mike. Let's go back up the top and look at Gonzo. He comes into turn 1, has a beautiful line but hits the sidewall, and Mad Mike just takes him right then and there. Gonzo and Galactica are squaring up this battle. Bit of a late hit there by Mad Mike. Let's go back and have a look. Mad Mike really slow out of the gate. Better check his car and make sure he's okay for Battle 21. Next up is Cut Rock Racing going head-to-head with Redline Savage Inc. There's 22 points versus 17, 84 grams versus a whopping 117 grams. Turbo Fire with an easy run down to the finish line in a 9.280. Redline Savage Inc. and that 29 crew cab. Looks like he's hung up on the rail too. Those fenders just catching him and slowing him down. Road Warriors Season 3 is really pushing these cars to their limits. Turbo Fire bringing home the doubler there for the Aussie builder Cut Rock Racing. The 29 crew cab, that big hunk of metal. Next season, we're going to have a different format than the round robins we are currently watching. Oh man, I can feel the pressure on this race. Look at this, the leader's on 27. Blue Line Racing is in second place on 26. Po' Boy Racing's on 25 points in third place. Po' Boy Racing getting a point which will put him on 26. He's now equal with Blue Line Racing. Oh, one more race to go here. What's going to happen, ladies and gentlemen? Look at this racing. Look how tight it is. Blue Line Racing fighting for everything. Just spins out and unable to get across the line first. Po' Boy bringing the doubler home, so that'll put him on 27. Variant Skunkworks is on 28. That leaves Blue Line Racing on 26, going into Battle 21, the last for Road Warriors Season 3. On the outside is the Aussie Lucas in Shell on 50 grams, going up against James Kirk and the Flying Brick, weighing 104 grams. James Kirk driving the Flying Brick for Fractal Panda, a past winner here in Road Warriors Season 2. Let's go back and have a look. Shell, driven by Lucas, has a nice line, hits the sidewall, and that's the end of him out of that race. Cars swap lanes, and let's get rolling. Well, that was an interesting race. Lucas just sneaking in a win there in front of the Fractal Panda with James Kirk. There's James Kirk, unable to get across the line. Let's go back and have a look. He had this done right in front of him, didn't he? He saw the line and choked and it's just pulled up. Oh, a little side swipe there by Lucas. Tito Racing's on 26 points, tied for second place. The leader's on 27. Metal Mania 3D from Australia on 18 points. Let's just watch the show, folks. Well, this is going to be very tight up the top. Tito Racing goes from 26 points to 27. Variant Skunkworks had a win earlier on in Battle 20. He's on 28, and I'm completely lost where we are until we see the scoreboard. If Tito Racing takes the double out here, this will be very interesting. So, Tito Racing does the doubler. Look at the time though, an 8.560. That's really slow. I mean, you know, we're at Battle 20. You can see Metal Mania 3D just being blocked by Tito Racing. Can't wait to see the scoreboard at the end of this round. Warpig 76 in Purple Nurple on 20 going up against Hot Car Track and that mighty Holden. 80 grams versus 55. Hot Car Track coming in at the second fastest time tonight. Oh, Purple Nurple powering in after that. What happened? Let's go back and have a look. Purple Nurple really just charging down that Holden. Trying to get past him, swings low, hits the sidewall, and not enough juice to get past him through the finish line. A good reliable win there by Warpig 76. That's a great build of a car, and Warpig 76 is a crowd favourite here on Mount Western Raceway. Look at him swing in front of Hot Car Track. Bit of savage driving there, but Hot Car Track trying to swing past him and is unsuccessful. Very tight up the top. Variant on 28, Poby on 27, Tito on 27, Blue Line on 26. They're your current leaders. Those top four can take out this tournament in Battle 21. The rest of the field is scrolling through, and what a great season you guys have had. Unfortunately, you're not in the racing to take out the tournament. However, you still will be racing in Battle 21. The fastest time tonight is held by Variant Skunkworks in an 8.720. This Evo is very quick on this track and unstoppable. This is Skunkworks' first season here on MWR and is really showing everyone how to race. The stack of the night has to go to Lily the Dog with a rollover out of turn 1. Picks a nice line. Oh, I'm just unable to get through that turn 1. Let's go back again. Well, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching Battle 20. Battle 21 next week. We'll catch you later.
This is the streets. This is
Road Warriors. Custom Diecast Racing.